If you're a landscaper or a serious homeowner, we have everything for your outdoor needs. We've got the Kubota U35 3-ton excavator with a small, medium, large bucket, and of course the thumb, which really makes this thing useful. We have the Barretto Trencher, gives you a 6-inch wide trench, 36 inches deep. It's 100% hydraulic driven, so it's really powerful. All you have to do is stand on the back, work the levers, and the machine does all the work for you. Of course, it wouldn't be complete if we didn't have the backfill blade. Now it goes right here. I have it in the shop right now, but the backfill blade goes right in there. So after you're done with the trenching, you put the backfill blade on and you fill that trench back in. Again, you just stand on the back, use the joystick levers, and it's 100% automatic. When you don't want to go up on the ladder, but you got to get up 40 feet, and even worse when you need to get over an eave or some other obstacle, up in a tree, something where it's just too dangerous to use a ladder, a lift is the best thing that you can do to get up high, stay safe. You've got a bucket up there to keep you contained, and of course, always wear your safety harness. We have the Wacker Neuson mini skids, the SM100, that gives you 1,000 pounds of lift capacity out of the front bucket. We've got the buckets, we've got the grapples, the forks, and we even have a bush hog if you want to blaze some trails. Again, 1,000 pounds of capacity, 9-inch tracks. So now you're putting just a light pressure onto your lawn, but you're still able to get through those gates. 35-inch width. The other machines that are out on the market, when you get a 9-inch track, you end up having to have a 40-inch opening. This gives you the best of both worlds. 9-inch tracks, not tearing up your lawn, but still getting through the gate with 1,000 pounds of lift capacity. Here we have our stump grinder, again 100% hydraulic, so that if you take too big of a bite, you're not tearing up your machine, you're not tearing up belts. It'll just stop, it hits the hydraulic bypass, and you keep going. As with all of our equipment here, all joystick controlled. You don't do any work. The machine moves forward, backwards, side to side, up and down. If you can stand next to the machine and just work some joysticks, you're an official stump grinder. Now we have our tractor here. This is something that we tend to do services with more than we rent it out, but we've got the bucket, grapple, backhoe, box blade, bush hog, anything else you may need to get done, we can do it with the tractor. Again, we do rent it, but it's a more complex machine. So what you'll find is more people are having us do the service for them rather than renting the tractor. But we have the whole range of tools so that you can get the job done with the optimum tool. The flatbed trailers can haul our equipment or your equipment. Either rent the trailer with a piece of equipment or just rent it and move your equipment. 10,000 pounds of capacity on that trailer. And when you need to get rid of your materials, we've got the dump trailers. Some of our dump trailers are out right now. This is our 7x16 with 3-foot sides. We also have a 7x14 with 2-foot sides, and a smaller single axle for smaller vehicles like SUVs, etc. Last but not least, we have our car carrier, 24-foot, 7-foot tall drop ramp, so you can get your collector car or anything you need to protect moved safely, keeping it dry, keeping it free from debris, keeping it out of prying eyes. So again, all of our equipment is the machine does the work for you. All you have to do is stand on them, use these joysticks. These machines will do everything you need to get done. You're not breaking your back using shovels, holding machines back and counteracting the force. These are all heavyweight pieces of equipment that are self-propelled, and they do all the work for you. You can't get anything better than what you see here at Renton King. So book today online, rentonking.com. That's RENTNKING, rentonking.com. Book online or call us and we'll get you taken care of over the phone. But we want to make sure that you get the machine you want on the day you want, and we'll reserve it for you. All right, again, rentonking.com, or call us at 615-815-6734. And of course, stop in anytime and say hi.